What's good, YouTube? This is Double Up with Astro. Today, I'd like to thank you guys for watching this video. I wanted to hop on camera to give you an update of this all-in-one traffic system called Traffic Zipper. As you can see at the top, it says Simple Traffic Machine. And what this particular system does is, one of the main reasons what it do, it has its own built-in mailers. It has different types of mailers that you may be a part of, that you could be able to use one button click to send automatic traffic. So that way you don't have to go through each site, each Safelist site one by one. You could just go through the system by, using Traffic Zipper. And I'm going to show you what I mean by that. Now, you can see these tabs at the top. Now, they got some information about Traffic Zipper. And Traffic Zipper been around for a long time now. It's still giving good results. I can show you good results later into this video. So Traffic Zipper, if you haven't Safelist or use Safelist mailers, be able to mail out for opportunity, this is a great site to start off with, and it's free to join, okay? So when you have, it's different membership levels, of course. Now, for the free member, you're only allowed to have two different mailers that you can send out. And I believe at the highest level is the elite, and you get to have at least 20 sites that you can leave. So think how powerful that would be. Have 20 sites that you could email all across the board with just one click of a button, okay? Now, they have this thing called Define My List. I'm going to click up here at the top of this so you can see what I mean. And they have all of the sites that's listed. Now, whatever sites that you have checked off, those are the sites that's going to come up. And as you can see, I'm pretty much a member of the majority of all these sites that's checked off. They also give you a percentage rate of the click-through rates of the performances that the site is doing in the last 7 days. It shows you like a lot of members that's a part of each of these different traffic sources. You can really see in detail. They also show the last 30 days. You can check how many clicks at each site, so that can give you an idea of what site is converting. Okay, so you want to be able to go through these carefully. You want to be able to sign up. If you're not signed up with each of these different mailers, you can sign up for free, and that way you can, Traffic Zipper can program each site into the builders. Now, each site has downline builders, okay, and I'll also show you what I meant by that. So, in order to first define your build, so once you get everything clicked, you're going to go to manage my list builder details. You're going to manage it. Okay. Once you click those, they're going to pull up. Traffic Zipper is going to pull up your information for each mailer. So each mailer, make sure that you put your referral ID and your email or your username, whatever it tells you to do. And what it does is you put your password, and then what Traffic Zipper would do would generate a password for you to be able to, so it can log in its own system, okay? So, you can see all the sites that you see. Check, you see them, I got them all right here. So these are a lot of traffic. If each of these traffic mailers that you see, these are some good mailers that has good high converting traffic, okay? So got this thing called Remote Downline Builder. And what this particular feature does is that you could type up any mailer in this search bar, and it will pull up which mailers are missing. So that way you could be able to put in all your affiliate IDs, so you don't have to go deep into each platform or each mailer one by one. They could just all have it here. Now, if you know all your mailers, now for some instance, you have to go check to see what's the ID or what's your username for a lot of these mailers. But if you know them offhand, or you got them somewhere written on a notepad or something, You could be able to put them on in. Now it does take a while to load up because I had hit the display. But you could do one that you hit search. Now sometimes it kind of be funny acting. Sometimes you may have to go back over and search again because they may have something that may say, hey, it can't read it or it can't stream the site that you're looking for. So you may have to probably hit it once again. But basically, it just shows you, what it all does. And I can read this while it's loading. It said this is a real time saver that you won't believe you ever managed to do without. Use it once. You will be hooked. Here's how it works. We're integrated with the downline builders at all of the traffic zipper, which is TZ, supported sites for those that have one. So when you join a new program or a list builder, you want to know if it's included in the downline builder at the other sites you already a member of. You just have to type in the same name of the program below and hit search. And just give you a brief. Now they do have a tutorial, you can watch to know deep in detail what it is. So you see right here, these are each site. They showing all the sites that's a part of Traffic Zipper, and each site have a downline builder, and it has lots of sites inside those downline builders. You're gonna put all of your affiliate IDs in here to update, so that way when people join you from, let's say for instance, AdChiever, they will join you on a list surfing. They will join you prosperity marketing system on down. And you could be able to build up your referrals and have commissions all through different downline builders. So that's why it's important to be able to promote downline builders so that way you could be able to, you don't have to go one by one each site, and you could be able to grow your list with this. So they got a whole lot of these, and you could go back and check. They also had these banners. Just put in your affiliate site, affiliate IDs, and you could check them all off. So think of all that traffic that's coming through. You could be making lots and lots of commissions on all of these sites. So, it might take you a while to get all these list builders IDs added, but it'd be worthwhile for the long stretch. So, you got people all the time that's going through these builders. A lot of people that's trying to get traffic online. People that's beginner because it's very beginner friendly. Getting traffic online, and they need to find a way how they can be able to promote. And so you can get lots and lots of leads. So think about all those people that's connected with those different mailers. They could be doing the clicking for you, earning credits, so you can be able to send out a lot of your opportunity. Okay. So then you got site rotators. You can use site rotators. You got also, we can send your mail. You can compose your mail. I'm gonna click on that first, and it also has a video. So with that being said, you're gonna be able to send out your email on a daily basis. You can send it out pretty much depending on how many credits you have. So if you click on check mail status, it's gonna show all the lists available, so it can show you how many credits that you have on each site. And it all calculates that. It's because of remember I was telling you about the My List Builder and you can manage your list. All that information program is going to pull up all those sites that you all have in this system. Okay. And I'm going to show you what I mean by that. When everything is checked off, you're going to see a blue check mark that's going to check off each site, and it's going to show you how many credits you have. And some mailers that you can't send on certain days, so it just depends. But you do have other mailers that you can send out if you have credits for them. Okay, so as you can see, I don't have enough credits on some of these. But I could click ones that's available, and I could be able to use those. So you can see right here for stay-at-home mailer status, I have 864 credits out of 40,971. So you can see that I can mail on a regular basis. Now, some of these you can go through each of these and have to upgrade your membership, and that way you can be able to send out more on a more frequent level. You can see at the 100% clicks mailing status, you need to wait 2 days and 17 hours and 30 minutes 50 seconds before the next mailing. So as you can see, you only mail out certain mailers on different days, okay? And one of my favorite features, oh, and I forgot to tell you, it's when you go to sit mail, this is where you can see your traffic at. Look at all these clicks I'm getting. I'm sending out to 1,001 members and getting these click-through rates. This is one way to see which ads that you're making is converting. I'm getting daily, because, if you upgrade, you can get more coming from. You could get more traffic. So I'm going to just click on one of these to show you which, like, you see where the traffic mail is being sent. So if I click on this pie chart to give you a diagram of where these mailers are coming from. See, Lead's ad space. So they'll post my ad on Lead's ad space board. Okay, you can see that. I'm going to click on another one. See the crypto mailer. I'm in part of crypto mailer in Lead's ad space. You can see how many people. So somebody's going to click, this is one way you get conversion. You can have a tracker if you have a tracker that you use, okay? One of the best features on here is the Autopilot mailer. Now, this feature is for elite members. That way you can set up, it's pretty much a one and done, set and forget traffic system. So once you set up your traffic, your email, you don't have to do no clicking. It can run by itself on autopilot. How cool is that? Getting all that traffic in your sleep. And you can pause which one you want to pause. Now, also it uses credits. So you want to make sure that you clicking for credits still, but it goes on autopilot so that way you don't have to send different days. And whenever you could be able to mail to those different mailers, it's going to automatically send out those mailers, okay? And you can check out your autopilot tracking because it has a tracker that you can see where they are coming from. So you can see this adventure. You can see where it's sent to, how many it's sent to. You see the crypto mailer, how much I'm getting. All these different results. This is a lot of results. So if you would like to be able to have it more easy where you could save more time in sending out emails and you could be able to get a lot of traffic, autopilot in your sleep, get and join Traffic Zipper. Okay. Just to give you a little brief, I believe the elite version is, if you want it for like a month, the elite is $37 a month. You could be able to get the pro, I believe, for, let's see. I guess I forget how, because I already have purchased it, so you have to go back and check it. It should be under your account when you want to upgrade. They'll tell you all the different packages that you can get. So if you would like to join with me in Traffic Zipper, the link in the description will be below. Make sure you like and subscribe to this video, to this channel, for more upcoming tips and tricks and different daily routine strategies I use to get traffic, okay? You can email me or you can also message me on Facebook. Leave your comments below if you have any questions about Traffic Zipper, okay? So that's all I have for you guys today. This is Double O with Astro. I see you guys on the next video.